Mirabel! Delivery! I gave you the special since you're the only Madrigal kid with no gift. I call it the not special special since, you have no gift.
Thanks?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Febriandika Rahyuning Tias. Today I would like to review the film with the title Encanto. The table of the contents are introduction, film information, and characters, and then story plot, the best part, and the last one is conclusion. First, let's move to introduction. Encanto is a 2021 American animated musical fantasy film produced by Walt Disney Animation Studios and released by Walt Disney Pictures. Encanto is a story about multi-generational Colombian family, the Madrigals, that led by matriarchs whose children and grandchildren, except for Mirabel Madrigal, receive magical gifts from a miracle which they use to help the people in the rural community called the Encanto. When Mirabel learns that the family is losing their magic, she sets out to find out why and save the family and the house. Now, let's move to the film information. Encanto was directed by Jared Bass and Byron Howard. The story by Jared Bass, Byron Howard, Charis Castro-Smith, Jason Hand, Nancy Kruse, and Lin-Manuel Miranda, and it produced by David Moreno and Clark Spencer, with music by Lin-Manuel Miranda and Jermaine. And the production company by Walt Disney Animation Studios, and release date in November 24, 2021 in the United States, and the running time is 102 minutes. And then the characters of the film, there are Abuelo Pedro, Abuela Alma Madrigal, Bruno, Pepa, Julieta, Felix, Agustin, Camilo, Dolores, Antonio, Luisa, Mirabel, and Isabella. The first is Abuelo Pedro. Abuelo Pedro is Abuela Alma's husband who already gone before the story has begun. And then Abuela Alma Madrigal. Abuela Alma Madrigal is a matriarch of the Madrigal family. She is married to Pedro and has three children named Bruno, Pepa, and Julieta. She is strong, protective, and deeply committed to maintaining the miracle and the family's legacy. However, her fear of losing the magic often makes her overly strict and demanding, creating pressure on her family members. And she has not gift, but she is the keeper of the miracle. And then Bruno Madrigal. Bruno is a shy, eccentric, and self-sacrificing, misunderstood by his family. He hides to avoid causing conflict with his vision. Despite his isolation, Bruno deeply cares for his family and tries to help them in his own quirky way. His gift is he can see the future. And then Pepa Madrigal. Pepa is Abuela's daughter, and she is married to Felix. She is passionate, emotional, and high-strung. Her gift is she can controlling the weather with her emotion. Her mood directly affects the weather, making her unpredictable at times. She tries her best to stay calm, but often feels overwhelmed by her own emotion. And then Julieta Madrigal. Julieta is also Abuela's daughter who married to Agustin. She is warm, nurturing, and selfless. And as Mirabel's mother, she is the one of the family members who truly understand and support Mirabel's feeling. Her gift is healing others through her cooking. And then Luisa Madrigal. Luisa is Julieta's daughter. She is dependable, hardworking, and selfless. Her gift is super strength. She feels the weight of her responsibility and fears, failing her family. Despite her strength, she struggles with emotional vulnerability and exhaustion. And then Mirabel Madrigal. Mirabel is Julieta's daughter. She is cheerful, empathetic, and brave girl. Despite despite her feelings excluded for not having a magical gift, she loves her family deeply and she is determined to protect her family and their magic. And then Isabella Madrigal. Isabella is Julieta's daughter. She is graceful, perfectionistic, and seemingly flawless. She feels pressure to always meet others' expectations. However, deep down, she longs to express herself freely and create things beyond perfection. Her gift is growing plants and flowers perfectly. And then Camilo Madrigal. Camilo is Pepa and Felix's son. He is charismatic, playful, and mischievous, and his gift is he can shape and shifting. He enjoys entertaining others by shape-shifting into different people. But he is also a bit of prankster. He uses his gift to adapt to situations and bring humor to the family. And then Dolores Madrigal. Dolores is Pepa and Felix's daughter. She is quiet, observant, and insightful. Her gift is super hearing. And the last one, Antonio Madrigal. Antonio is the youngest child of Pepa and Felix. He is sweet, kind, and shy. As the youngest Madrigal, he looks up to Mirabel and trusts her deeply. His gift is talking to an animal. And then let's move to the plot. The miracle of the Madrigals. The family is blessed with magical gifts from a miracle, except for Mirabel, who feels left out. The Madrigals family lives in a magical house named is Casita, in a small Colombian village. The story begins with a tragedy. Abuela Alma fled her home with her three infant children after losing her husband. At her darkest moment, a miracle occurred. A magical candle blessed the family with a new home and gave each of Alma's descendants a special gift. These gifts were used to help their community. All of her children and grandchildren given a miracle except Mirabel. It makes her feeling like an outsider, struggling to find her place in the family. And then the cracks in the magic. Mirabel noticed the magic weakening and the Casita breaking, but struggles to make her family believe her. As the family continued to rely on their magical gift, Mirabel began to notice something cracked in the Casita. She saw the house shaking and the magical candle flickering. Mirabel tried to warn her family, but they dismissed her concern, believing she was imagining things. Determined to protect the miracle, Mirabel decided to uncover the cause of the crack on her own. Her journey led her to uncover deeper issues within the family, as many members were struggling under the weight of their gifts and the expectations placed on them. And then Bruno's vision. Mirabel finds her uncle Bruno, who reveals a vision at her standing at the center of the family's fading magic. In her search for answer, Mirabelle discovered her uncle Bruno, who had been living in a secret within the wall of the casita, and Bruno, who could see the future, had disappeared years ago because his vision often caused conflict in the family. And reluctantly, Bruno shared his new version with Mirabelle's. She saw herself standing at the center of the family's fading magic. At first, Mirabelle feared she might be the reason the magic was disappearing. But she also realized this vision might hold the key to saving the family. And then the collapse of Casita. Tension rise, leading to an argument between Mirabelle and Abuela. The house collapses and the miracle is lost. Tensions finally come to a head when Mirabelle confronted Abuela Alma. Mirabelle accused Abuela of putting too much pressure on the family to be perfect, which was causing cracks not just in the house but in their relationship. During their argument, the casita began to collapse. The magical candle, the source of their power, was extinguished, and the family lost their gift. With the house destroyed and the magic gone, the matricles were left to reflect on their bond and how they had let the miracle define their world. The last one is rebuilding together. The family realized their bond is their true strength, and with the help of the villagers, they rebuilt the casita and restored the magic. Even though losing their power, the family came together to rebuild the casita. Their community grateful for all the Madrigal had done for them. It made them too willingly to help Madrigals. Through this process, Abuela realized that her fear of losing the miracle had caused her to put unrealistic expectations on her family. She apologized and the family reconciled. When the house was rebuilt, the magic returned, but not because of the candle, but because of the family had healed their bond. In the end, Mirabelle, who had no magical gift, was recognized as the heart of the family, proving that true strength comes from love, unity, and self-worth. And then, let's move to the best part. The best part of the story is when Abuela, or Mirabelle's grandmother, approached Mirabelle to admit her mistakes. She shares the story of her past, explaining how she lost her husband while he was trying to save their community. This traumatic experience made her fearful of losing her family, which led her to become overly strict and controlling. It makes Mirabelle understand Abuela's action, and they are make up that bringing the family closer together. And then, next move to the conclusion. Encanto teaches that true strength lies in love, unity, and acceptance. The Madrigal family learns that their value doesn't come from their magical gift, but from their bond as a family. By embracing each other's flaws and differences, they rebuild their home and restore their magic. This movie highlights the importance of self-worth and understanding, and overcoming the pressure of perfection while showing that collaboration and unity can help overcome even the greatest challenges. I rate this movie 9 out of 10 because this movie is so heart-touching and contain many moral messages that we can take. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.